Hi, please welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking. Today's video, I present to you a very interesting recipe. So please stick around, stay tuned. Let me know what you think we are going to be preparing on this video. So here we go. First of all, this is how they usually come looking like. This organ over here is a heart. Yeah, so we have to like dissect the entire heart, remove all the hearts, and then cook them. Yeah, so let me know if you are from Kenya or outside Kenya, if you cook with the hearts, or if you people cook hearts separately. Let me know. But for me, it's a no for me. I can't. So here is my beautiful knife from Kamkunji. If you've not watched that vlog, you can catch up with it. So first step, I'm gonna be removing the heart. And a cow liver recipe, you can also check it out. So now I'm gonna be showing you how to make chicken. Complicated, but it really needs a lot of focus and keenness. So I'll just repeat that entire step till I'm done with everything. Sorry for the blood that you're seeing over here, but trust me, I'm gonna be done in a jiffy. So I'm already done removing the hearts. So next thing, you're just gonna make sure we rinse and precisely. So let me know, share with me your recipe on how you make to learn from you as well. So here they are. You'll make sure you rinse them as much as you can so that all the blood comes out. Then you're going to leave it on a strainer for a couple of hours so that it can drain off every single blood, and it can drain off all the water so that it can be easy to fry them. So you're going to be doing a dry fry recipe. Yeah, that's the recipe I'm going to be showing you, and maybe next time when I buy them again, I'm going to show you the wet fry recipe. So yeah, that's how they look. So you can chop them into smaller pieces if you love them like that, but for me, I'm just gonna cut them into big aesthetic pieces. So here are my ingredients. I have some capsicum, some ginger, some onion, ring onions, some coriander stems, and so I have two segments of onion because the ring onions, I'm going to be using it as part of the garnish, and the sliced finely chopped onions, I'm going to be using it to cook. So let's hit the first step. So first of all, I put a generous amount of oil on your pan or saucepan, then stir fry until your onions are translucent. Yes, don't let them turn golden brown, make sure they're just translucent. After that, you're gonna going ahead with the chicken liver pieces, and as I said, you can cut them into smaller pieces or big chunks if you like them aesthetic like me. So for me, I'm not gonna chop them into small pieces. So you'll just stir fry for about 2 minutes and watch out for them not to burn. Then you're gonna put in the chicken gizzards and then stir fry until all the water has drained off. There's always some cheeky water that remains, so make sure you stir fry until all the water is over. So now here I am adding the gizzard pieces. Yes, you'll stir fry until all the water has drained off, as I told you earlier. Then now you're gonna add in your garlic, not garlic. Why do I keep saying garlic? You're gonna add in your ginger paste, and if you love garlic, you can also put it in this step. So and then after that, you're gonna add in the coriander stems, then stir fry until they feel crispy. Then you're gonna lastly add in the onion rings and the capsicum rings that you've seen over here, but just half. You can half them or you can put them just round according to how you like it. Then lastly, you're gonna add in some salt and spice of your choice. It's just that simple, not so complicated. Yeah, so this is just my way of cooking this rare meal. Yes, and for you to know if they are ready, you're gonna slice with a knife, and if it looks a bit yellowish or ashy, just know it's ready. That's just how you're gonna know it's ready to be served. So let me know if you've learned something. Let me know if you enjoyed the recipe, and leave a sweet comment. Leave Also let me know how you love to cook your chicken gizzards at home. Yes, then you're also just gonna garnish with the coriander leaves at the very last step. Then you can cover, then prepare your ugali or your rice and enjoy. So thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like, recommend this video to your friends and family, and I hope to see you on our next vlog. Bye guys, and I love you all.